All right, guys. Today we are talking about something that every car owner has probably felt at some point. You buy a car, it feels amazing. Smooth, powerful, quick to respond. But then, a few years go by, and suddenly, it just does not feel the same anymore. You hit the gas, and instead of leaping forward, your car just kind of thinks about it first. You know what I mean, right? That little hesitation where you're like, come on, buddy, we don't have all day. Or maybe your engine sounds rougher. Maybe your gas mileage tanked and you feel like you're living at the gas station. And the worst part? Most people assume that is just how it is, that it's normal aging. Or they panic and think, great, I probably need some $1,000 repair.
But here is the truth. In many cases, your car is not broken. It is not even old. It is just dirty. Yep, dirt, carbon, and little worn-out parts that quietly suck away your engine's power. The good news? You can fix it yourself without spending a fortune. And in today's video, I am going to break it down into 4 simple steps. Not complicated rebuilds, not a crazy mechanic's job, just everyday maintenance tasks that most people ignore. We are covering cleaning the throttle body, replacing air and fuel filters, swapping out spark plugs, and cleaning fuel injectors. Do these 4 things and your engine can literally feel like it has gone back in time. Let's dive in. Step 1. Clean the throttle body. Okay, let's start with the throttle body because this is such a simple fix that can make a massive difference. Think of your throttle body like the door to your engine's lungs. Every time you press the gas pedal, that door opens and lets air in. But over time, gunk builds up on the edges. Dirt, carbon, sticky black residue. It is basically like having honey or syrup around a doorknob. Suddenly, the door does not open smoothly anymore. When this happens, your car might idle rough. You're sitting at a red light, and instead of purring like a cat, your car shakes like it just had 3 cups of bad coffee. Or you press the gas, and there's this annoying little delay, like your car is saying, let me think about it first. Cleaning it? Super easy. A mechanic can do it in under 1 hour, but you can also do it yourself. Just pop off the intake hose, spray some throttle body cleaner on a rag, and wipe the flap clean. That's it. No fancy tools, no rocket science. And here's the wild part. People notice an instant change. Suddenly, the gas pedal is snappy again. The car idles smoothly. It's literally like giving your car a decongestant after it's been stuffed up for months.
Step 2. Replace your filters. All right, now let's talk about something that everyone forgets about. Filters. First up, the air filter. Think of it like this. Try running a marathon with a dirty face mask strapped to your mouth. You will still run, sure, but every breath is harder. You are wasting more energy, and by mile 2, you are ready to quit. That is your engine when the air filter is clogged. The good news is, this one is ridiculously easy. Most air filters are just sitting in a little box under the hood. Pop the clips, pull it out, slide a new one in. Takes 5 minutes tops. And boom, you might notice better acceleration and sometimes even better gas mileage right away. Next up, the fuel filter. This one is sneaky because your gas tank, it is not perfectly clean. Little bits of rust, dirt, or gunk float around inside. The fuel filter catches that junk before it reaches your engine. But after years of working hard, it clogs. Now imagine drinking a milkshake through a straw full of sand. That is what your engine feels like with a clogged fuel filter. You might notice your car struggling uphill, losing power, or even stalling randomly. Not fun. Replace it, and suddenly the fuel flows freely again. It's like unclogging your coffee machine. You did not realize how bad it was until it started flowing smooth again. So remember this, your filters are basically your car's lungs. Keep them clean, and the engine can breathe freely. Ignore them, and your car slowly suffocates. Step 3, swap out old spark plugs. Now let's move on to something small, but insanely important, spark plugs. These little guys don't look like much, but they are the heartbeat of your engine. Inside your engine, air and fuel mix together, and the spark plug sends a tiny lightning bolt to ignite it. That is what creates the explosion that moves your car forward. And it happens thousands of times every single minute.
But over time, spark plugs wear out. They get coated in carbon, the gaps widen, the spark weakens. It's like trying to light a campfire with a damp match. You might get flames, but it is inconsistent and frustrating. And here's how you'll notice it in real life. Your car takes longer to start. Acceleration feels sluggish, like your car is dragging its feet. Your fuel economy takes a hit. The fix? Fresh spark plugs. A mechanic can swap them in about an hour. Or you can do it yourself with the right socket wrench. And the difference is night and day. I've had friends replace theirs and literally say, it feels like a new car again. Starts instantly, runs smoother, quieter, more powerful. It's amazing how something so small can wake up your entire engine.
Step 4. Clean your fuel injectors. All right, last step, fuel injectors. These are basically high-precision nozzles that spray fuel into your engine. When new, they spray a fine mist, like a perfume bottle. But over time, they get dirty, clogged, uneven. Instead of a mist, you get dribbles. Think about taking a shower with a clogged shower head. You are still getting water, but it is patchy, weak, unsatisfying. That is exactly what is happening inside your engine with dirty injectors. Symptoms? Jerky acceleration, rough idling, worse gas mileage, maybe even a ticking sound coming from the engine. The easy do-it-yourself fix? Grab a bottle of fuel injector cleaner, pour it into your gas tank, and let it work as you drive. Super cheap, super simple. If the injectors are really clogged, a mechanic can hook up a cleaning machine that runs solution directly through them. After that, most people swear their car feels smoother, quieter, and way more powerful, like it just got a second wind. Putting it all together? So let's zoom out. Here's the playbook. Clean the throttle body, replace air and fuel filters, swap out spark plugs, clean your fuel injectors. Each one on its own can make a difference, but when you do all 4, it's like turning back the clock. Your car starts smooth, idles quietly, accelerates like it wants to go, and burns fuel more efficiently. And this is not just about performance. A cleaner, healthier engine lasts longer. You're literally preventing the kind of wear and tear that leads to expensive repairs later. Think of it like brushing and flossing for your car. Do the little things now, and you avoid the dentist drill later. So before you assume your car is old and tired, give these 4 steps a try. You might be shocked at how much life is still hiding under that hood. All right, guys, that is it for today's video. If you found this helpful, drop a comment below. Tell me if you have ever swapped spark plugs or used injector cleaner and noticed the difference. I love hearing your car stories. And of course, smash that like button. It helps more than you know. And don't forget to subscribe for more car tips explained in plain, everyday language. Drop a comment, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe.